The 2026 Lexus LFA Successor is a masterpiece that blends aggressive styling with cutting-edge performance. The front end features a striking spindle grille, flanked by sharp, angular LED headlights that give it an intimidating presence. Large air intakes on the sides enhance aerodynamics, while cooling the powerful engine beneath. The hood has sculpted lines that add to its athletic stance, making it a true head-turner. At the rear, the LFA Successor showcases a futuristic design with an integrated LED taillight strip running across the width, providing a sleek and modern look. The triple exhaust setup, positioned centrally, is a nod to its predecessor, but with a more refined touch. The aggressive rear diffuser and active spoiler work together to improve downforce and stability at high speeds, ensuring optimal performance on the track. Every inch of the exterior design is crafted with precision. The carbon fiber body reduces weight while maintaining strength, and the flowing aerodynamics enhance speed and efficiency. The sculpted side panels and large air vents emphasize its performance-focused engineering. The LFA Successor sits on lightweight, forged alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, ensuring maximum grip and handling in every driving condition. Inside, the cockpit is a perfect fusion of luxury and technology. The driver-centric layout features a fully digital instrument cluster with customizable displays, providing real-time performance data. The premium Alcantara-wrapped sport seats offer supreme comfort while maintaining a racing-inspired feel. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in leather and carbon fiber, giving the driver full control over this high-performance machine. A high-definition infotainment system, premium audio, and ambient lighting add to the immersive driving experience. Under the hood, the 2026 LFA Successor is powered by a hybrid V8 engine, producing an estimated 900 horsepower. This powerhouse delivers blistering acceleration, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, making it one of the fastest Lexus models ever. Advanced aerodynamics, adaptive suspension, and a high-performance braking system ensure razor-sharp handling and stability at all speeds. With all this technology and performance, the 2026 Lexus LFA Successor is expected to be priced around $1 million. It's a true collector's car, embodying the spirit of Lexus performance and innovation. Let me know in the comments what you think of this next-generation beast.